Dear learners, welcome to the channel, and in this video we are going to see the procedure for drawing a pentagonal lamina whose surface is inclined to HP and edge inclined to VP using AutoCAD. This is Dr. T.A. Sundaravadivel. Okay. Yeah. Now we have to open an AutoCAD window, and then we have to give some basic commands like limits, then units, and then creating a rectangle for the limit and a margin. So for all those things I have prepared another video, and that video link has been given in the description. Please follow that and come up to this step. Okay. Now I have to draw this figure. So I can keep that figure which I have to draw, which I need to draw, aside, nearby. Afterwards, after drawing, we can delete it. Okay, we can take the JPEG sketch and we can place it nearby wherever we want. So we can reduce the size also. If we have a sketch previously, some drawing if we made, we can take that and we can keep aside so that we can make it fast. So first I am drawing an XY line. So I want to draw a horizontal line. The line is not horizontal, it is not coming properly, so I have to take a proper care to draw the line horizontally, or I can go for this ortho mode, orthogonal. If I switch on, it will enable me to draw only horizontal and vertical lines. Right. Then the bottom I have to draw a pentagon. So here what is the given question? Draw the projections of a pentagonal lamina of side 25 mm is resting on the horizontal plane on HP on an edge such that the lamina is inclined at 30 degrees to HP. So for this one also, for solving the same problem manually, I have put another video. That link also has been given in the description. Please follow that for elaborate explanation regarding this problem. So here there is a pentagonal lamina, surface is inclined to HP and edge is inclined to VP. That is the simple idea which we have to extract from the question. So when the surface is inclined to HP, we have to draw the true shape. True shape is nothing but the shape of the pentagon. We have to draw the true shape in the top view. So here that's what the true shape has been drawn here. So the same way I am going to draw the true shape here. So the size of the pentagon is 25 mm. I am drawing a line for 25 mm. I am clicking line command and I am drawing a line for 25 mm. Then I have to draw a pentagon, so I am going for polygon. Then it is asking number of sides. I am giving 5. Specify center of the polygon or edge. Specify center of the polygon or edge. So I am clicking edge. Okay. Then okay. So I have created the pentagon. Then I have to give the names using this text command. I have to give the names. I am giving A, though it is very small, I can go for annotation and I can change okay. So here we have to give names here. So what I am doing, I am going for annotation and then I am clicking standard and then manage text styles. So here the names, the height of the names what I have gave is very small. So I am going here and then I am giving annotative and then I am setting it for 5. By default it will be 0. So I will do all these things. That is, I will click annotative and then I will click 5, then set current, close. Then if I go and if I create any name, it will come for that height, then place it near to that and then copy and place wherever you want. I want to create some other names for all these corners. So first I am creating, I am copying this name and then I am going to edit. Okay. Double click and then edit. Here we will need B, here C, here D, here E. Okay, so now we got this. Then I have to project all these points to this XY line and then I have to create the front view as shown here. So I am using ray. For projecting always we have to use ray command. Ray, specify start point, for this also we can switch on this ortho. Similarly give escape and once again ray, then escape, ray. Okay, then here we have to give the names for these points. This one will be your A dash, E dash. So once again you can click this, copy and then switch off ortho and place it near to these points and then alter. That is the easiest way. Double click here, A dash, E dash should come. A dash brackets E dash, because A will be visible and E will be hidden. Similarly here B dash, D dash, B dash brackets D dash. here C dash. Okay. Then we are seeing the object from this side and we are drawing that view. So A, B, C will be visible in the front view and E and D will be hidden. That is what I kept it like this. Then you can trim using trim command. You can trim this ray which is not needed to us beyond this. Okay, up to this XY we need, so we can trim it. Right. Now we did not find any difference between this object line and this XY line and so on. So we need some difference. So I am going for changing that line height, line thickness. So I am going for bilayer. This line thickness I am going, and then I am taking line settings, line weight settings, display line weight, and I am giving OK. Then this one I have to change for 0.3 mm line. Now I will get a big line. Similarly, here we have to draw another line for 0.3 mm. That front view, corresponding front view also should be thick. Okay. Now we got these figures. Then what is the next step? We got the first stage. Second stage is we have to tilt it for 30 degrees. The same front view should be tilted for 30 degrees. Then if we do it manually, we have to draw a line for 30 degrees and then we will take these measurements and we will cut arc. But here that is not needed. We can group this one, this, this. That is the front view we have created using single objects. Now I can group it. This is the easiest way we have to note. Okay. So now I have grouped this. Grouping means this one becomes a single object. Now I can copy this and then I can fix a base point for this and I can move it and place it somewhere nearby on XY line. That is important. Okay. Right. Then you have to tilt this front view for 30 degrees. So what I am doing here is I am clicking this and then I am going for rotate command. This is the rotate command. Rotate. What it is asking? Specify base point. So I want to keep this one as the base and I have to rotate. Rotation angle 30. Yes. Now I got. So now next you can give ungroup. If you don't have options, no problem. We can go for creating. That is, we got this one. Now I have to draw ray using from all these points. Though it is a second stage, we can give A1 dash, E1 dash and so on. So now the ray line is coming with this 0.3 mm weight, but that should not be done. Always ray should be in a thinner line. Ray then copy that ray, create one ray, copy it, copy selection, then it will ask specify base point. You can create this one as the base. Here already we have BD, so we have projected all these points as shown here. Okay, similarly from all these points, okay, from the true shape we have to draw horizontal lines. From all these points we have to draw horizontal lines. For that also I am using that ray command, and I am creating one ray. Okay, then I am copying it, copy selection, anything you can create, keep it as a base point, and then you can move to the corresponding points. Okay, so from all these points I have drawn horizontal lines, and from all these points I have drawn vertical lines. This created ray is an infinite ray. Ray is nothing but an infinite object. So wherever we don't want, we have to trim it. Otherwise it will spoil our diagram. Okay. The next step is to draw this, join this A and A, B, B, and so on. So A, B, B, C, C, and so on we have to join, so that we will get the apparent shape. So take 0.3 mm line and then join this A. So the ortho is switched on, we have to switch it off. A, B, C, D, E, and A. Right. Give the names, copy selection, copy the names. Though it is the first step, first stage, we can give A1, B1, and so on. So double click it. Here A1 should come, here B1, here C1, here D1, here E1, right. So with that A ray line I have erased that XY line also. By layer. Okay. So now we have created first stage, second stage. Now for the third stage, we have to turn this object for that given angle. And that is, what is the question given? The resting edge is inclined at 40 degrees to the vertical plane. So here the resting edge is AE. Okay, this one is the resting edge. This is the resting edge. AE is the resting edge. that AE should be inclined for 40 degrees to VP. Now this A1 E1 is perpendicular to the vertical plane. Okay, so we have to tilt this figure in such a way that A1 E1 should be inclined to 40 degrees. So once again we have to group this one. So for grouping we have to select whatever we need to group. Group. Then once again give copy selection. Please, you can take it, give escape. Then once again we have to go to rotate command, click this and then rotate select objects, give enter. It will ask the base point. You can give this one as the base point and then rotation angle. I need to rotate it for 40 degrees. You can rotate in this direction or in the opposite direction also you can rotate. For example, rotate, redo, copy selection, moving, then rotate, select objects, then specify base point, then rotation angle I am giving minus 40 degrees. Okay, now I got this in this order. In any direction you can rotate, but AE should be inclined for 40 degrees. Okay, right. Then we have to project all these points upwards. We got this third step. Second stage, this top view we got. Now I have to project this top view and project this front view to get the final diagram. Final front view. So I am projecting all the points using the same ray command. So I am drawing one ray line and I am projecting from all the points. I can copy, then copy selection, okay. Now vertical ray. Copy selection, okay. Now you join this A, B, B, C, C and so on and mark the points. So for marking the point you can use POINT, point. the name of this point will be A1 dash. Group ungroup, then you can copy selection, okay. A1 dash is the name of this point. Similarly, B and B, B1 dash should come here. B1 dash, then C and C, C1 dash, then D1 dash, E1 dash. Right. So A1 dash, this will be your B1 dash, D1 dash, E1 dash. Okay, E and E, E1 dash. Now join all these points using line command. A, B, C, D, E and A. So now we got all the total figure we got. C1 dash or 2 dash, anything you can give. Now erase. Naming is not that much important, but anyway, this one is, though it is the first step, you can give A, B, C, D and A dash, B dash. This one is the second step, you can give A1, B1, C1. Similarly, A1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash. And though this one is the second step, we can give A2, B2, C2 and so on. Right. Then going for dimensioning, click the dimension icon. Click where you have to do dimensioning. I want to show whatever the measurements which has been given in the question. So pentagon's length has been given. For dimensioning, you need thin lines. Similarly, pentagon, the surface inclination of the pentagon is given. Okay, so this one should be in points, that is by layer you have to give. Right. Then this angle between this line and this. I hope I have given 50 degrees. but as per the problem it should come as 40. Okay, that's all. Then after completing, we can save this one using this command. We can click AutoCAD, then save as. Wherever we want, we can give save as. We can select the location and change the name. This is nothing but your pentagonal lamina problem. Pentagonal lamina using AutoCAD. Save it. That's all. Thank you.